YouTube, it's actually MPG. Happy iPhone Day. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing. Hope you all have been doing well. I know it's been a while since the last video, the unboxing of the iPad Pro. This is the iPhone 16 Pro in the new color, which is Desert Titanium. So really excited to open this. Now I currently have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I did downsize as far as the actual screen real estate here. But in my opinion, and you might not care about this, but the iPhones just keep getting larger and heavier, and they're kind of burdensome, honestly. And so I'm gonna try to deal with the smaller form factor. I know it comes with a little less battery life. Actually, the difference in battery life is pretty substantial, but I'm gonna try to deal with that and utilize my other devices a little bit more. Hopefully it won't be too big of a deal. First impressions on this color, very nice. Now, I'm gonna give you this from a girl standpoint. So the colors of the iPhone Pros are always kind of subdued in comparison to the non-Pro versions. So, you know, you have all these new colors for the non-Pro versions that are really fun and then just really subtle and not quite as fun with the Pro models, but I've never really cared about that. I've always just gone for the newest color. So if there's ever a new color, even if I don't like it, I'm gonna get that one. I thought this was gonna be more brown. In person, it's giving a lot of rose gold, and so that's what one of my friends was hoping for. Again, I don't really care if it's shaded towards pink. I'm not really a pink lover, but I would say if you're trying to give off a little rose gold, I think that would be cool. And then it also kind of gives off that brownish color. So Desert Titanium, really cool name for this color. I'm really interested to see the weight on this thing. So let's just take it out of the box here. Okay, it actually, for the form factor, it feels really light in the hand. When I was pulling it out this way, it felt heavy, but it actually feels like air. This is great. I'm recording with my Pro Max, or I would show you the comparison, but in the hand, this thing is absolutely just so light, and I'm so excited to use it. Now, I've been using my iPhones without cases for several years now. Knock on wood. I'll let you know how that goes, but I plan to do the same with this one. Let's take a look at the side here. So just looking at these buttons, I gotta get the angle right. There you go. There's your camera, there's your Apple logo. And then of course we have this awesome new camera feature right here. I cannot wait to play with the motion sensors on that thing, the touch capacity on that. That's just gonna be absolutely awesome. I like how if you're holding it like this, you have this button right here, just amazing. And you have your power button here. So we'll go ahead and take the paper off. And of course, we have this wonderful, beautiful display, which is really actually very durable. Even if I'm comparing it to my 15 Pro Max, that thing was, like I said, no screen protector, no case for me, and it held up very well. So just turning the phone on here, and then after it boots up, we'll go ahead and end the video. I hope you've all been doing very well. Again, happy iPhone Day. If you want to, you can comment down below which iPhone you got or which iPhone you want today. Do those other colors in the non-Pro model affect your choice as far as what phone you get? For me, again, I don't care about the color, but if there's ever a new one for these Pros, I go for that just to say, hey, I got the new one. I'm not too proud to admit that I kind of like to show it off. So anyways, happy iPhone Day. I hope to come back soon with some more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.